What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best range hoods in 2022. There's a lot of choice for range hoods. Range hoods are a piece of equipment in kitchens that often get overlooked, but nonetheless, they are actually very important. Speaking in all honesty, how often have you fled the kitchen due to excessive cooking smoke? Or how often have you smelled like steak all day after you finished cooking? This is why you need to invest in the range hood to prevent these kinds of odors from occurring. A range hood, also referred to as a kitchen hood, is one of the most important appliances that you may have in your kitchen. If you are a person that cooks, you have probably noticed how steam and food odors tend to be circling in your kitchen whenever you have something on the stove. Those odors tend to get stuck in your kitchen and clothing, and won't go away unless you ventilate the place. However, finding the right range hood might not be such an easy task, as there are so many high-quality products out there on the market that promise great value. However, it might not be that easy to actually choose a high-quality product, which is why some range hood reviews might help you make this decision. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Fotile JQG7501.G 30 inches range hood. Designed to be both attractive looking and efficient, this range hood has had many people lining up for it. It is a perfect addition to every house, particularly if the odors in the kitchen become strong. This range hood comes with a few extra whistles and bells to make your cooking experience much easier. This way, you'll know whether the odors are efficiently pulled from the room or not. The unit is also energy efficient, which means that it will not add much to the electricity bill either. Plus, it does not require a lot of maintenance, which is why it is very convenient to have in your kitchen. Specification and features. Material: tempered glass. Finish type: metallic. Fuel type: electric. Brand: Fotile. Model name: JQG7501.G. Reasons to buy: does not require a lot of maintenance. Energy efficient. The display looks great in modern kitchens. Reasons to avoid: the range hood is quite noisy. The LED lights make your food appear colorless. Number 2. Houselane Chef Series Range Hood. If you are looking for a powerful range hood that can handle a great load of cooking odor, then you might want to consider this item. Featuring 950 CFM and dual motors, you may prepare your favorite meal without worrying about any unwanted scents sticking to your clothes. The unit also features an innovative steam auto cleaning system. This feature will turn water into steam so that cold grease is dissolved. After this, all you will have to do is spray some water on your range hood, and you'll be able to get it clean in a couple of minutes. The range hood also comes with a buttonless sleek design, along with a display that allows you to see every setting. Plus, the range hood is very compact considering the power that it offers. You may easily install it under a cabinet. Specification and features. Brand: Houselane. Color: stainless steel. Special feature: self-clean, 6-speed setting, LED, steam cycle. Finish type: stainless steel. Reasons to buy: sleek and elegant design that works with every modern kitchen. Easy to maintain due to steam auto clean. Bright LED illumination that allows you to properly see what you are cooking. Reasons to avoid: there is a constant humming at the lowest setting. Number 3. Cosmoca's 5mu30 range hood. If you do not have a lot of space to spare in your kitchen, you might greatly appreciate this model. With its slim design that is focused on space saving, this range hood is perfect for apartments, condos, or houses that have a small kitchen. While small, this range hood is very efficient in its job. It has a powerful yet quiet motor that can be set to 3 different speeds, depending on what exactly you are planning to cook that day. The unit also features high-quality multi-layered filtration. The durable and reusable mesh filters made from aluminum will trap all the stray grease and oil, protecting the life of your range hood. Plus, you may always clean and reuse those filters every time, as they can be used for prolonged periods. Specification and features. Brand: Cosmo. Color: stainless steel. Finish type: stainless steel. Reasons to buy: efficient in neutralizing odors, airborne viruses, and toxins. Quiet action during its running time. High quality filtration system. Reasons to avoid. The installation may be rather complicated. Number 4. Zline 36 inches range hood. If you want a mix of simplicity and efficiency, then this model won't be a disappointment to anyone. This one doesn't have any bells, nor does it possess any whistles. It just has the basics of what you are supposed to find in a range hood. Weighing only 44 pounds, this unit is more efficient in comparison to other similar models. This means that it will be much easier for you to install it once you purchase it. At most, all you will need is one more person to hold it for you while you secure it. The motor features 4 different speeds, which makes it more customizable compared to most units that only have 3 speeds. It also features an automatic shut-off function that turns off your range hood after you finish cooking. In this way, you will not have to return to the kitchen and turn it off yourself. Specification and features. Brand, Zline. Color, stainless steel. Special feature, stainless steel, directional, lighting. Finish type, brushed. Reasons to buy. The automatic shut-off function saves you power and time. Simplistic yet efficient design. Allows you to choose from 4 different speeds. Reasons to avoid. The highest speed may be fairly loud. Fitting the range hood's filter may be rather tricky. Number 5. Cosmo under cabinet range hood. If you are tired of having a loud range hood continuously buzzing in your ears, then you might want to give this unit a try. Featuring 2 centrifugal motors along with a good ventilation system, this device can easily take out the odors from your kitchen without the added loudness. The unit is also equipped with some very easy to clean filters. These ArcFlow permanent filters can be taken out at any time and cleaned in the dishwasher, only to be used again. There is no need to replace them, which will certainly save you on the costs. Aside from its contemporary design, this model also comes with a generous 5-year limited warranty. This way, if anything happens to your range hood during that time, you can easily have the parts, or the entire unit, replaced. Specification and features. Brand, Cosmo. Color, stainless steel. Special feature, easy to clean. Finish type, gray. Reasons to buy. Contemporary sleek design. Quiet action as you are cooking. A generous warranty that gives you great coverage. Reasons to avoid. Some still say that the range hood is fairly loud. The instructions manual is not very clear. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.